Cameron. Oh, looks like I need to focus again. Hi, Cameron. It's Miss Candleberry. This video is pour vous, monsieur. I made this for you. The rest of us were able to meet in Microsoft Teams. So hopefully later this week you will be able to join us in Microsoft Teams so that you can hear the explanations too. First of all, also don't forget to take your quiz from last Friday. You haven't done that yet. But anyway, so do not watch this video if you haven't done your work yet. Do your work first and then come to this. All right? Because Miss Candleberry is not grading for 100% right answers right now. Right now I'm grading to see if you did it. So just doing it is important, okay? So above the table is showing addition numbers from 1 through 5. Again, don't watch this video if you haven't already done this sheet, okay? Because I'm going to go over the answers. A says, in each column and each row of the table, even numbers and odd alternate. Why is that? So the reason for that is, as we increase by 1, as numbers increase by 1, they go from even to odd, because when you add 1 to a number, you are adding an extra to it. So if I start with 1, if I add another 1, then my 2 ones become a pair and I have 2, and it's an even number. If I start with 2 and I add 1, there's no other extra 1 for it to become a pair with. So instead of being even, the 2 numbers are still even, and then extra 1 makes it odd. And so on and so on and so on. So by increasing by 1, that's either taking an odd number to become even, or it's taking an even number to become odd. So that's A. That's to do with odd and even. B, explain why the diagonal from the top left to the bottom right, so the purple one, contains even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, you might already figure this out. When we add 2 numbers that are the same, no matter what 2 numbers we add, if we're doing doubles, then you're going to get an even answer. Because even if you have an odd number, like if you're adding 3 plus 3, your extras, in 3 there's 1 pair and 1 extra, 1 pair and 1 extra. Your extra 3, then your extras from the 3s become a pair themselves. So no matter if you're adding 2 even numbers or 2 odd numbers, you're always going to have an even number, because any leftovers from that number will form a pair together. So that's the reason for that. And C says, explain why all the numbers in the other diagonal from the bottom left to the top right are 6s. As we, on our addition table, right, as we increase by 1 here, so 1 plus 5. As I increase on the horizontal and decrease on the vertical, my answers will be the same, because you're adding 1 here and you're taking away 1 here, so it equals the same number. You're giving the 1, you're taking away 1 from the 3 to make 2, and you're giving that to the 4, and so you're still getting 6. You can also see that we have on this chart, there are the commutative property, right? Because 1 plus 5 is 6, but also 5 plus 1 is 6. So we also see the commutative property that way in doubles. All right? So those are the answers. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope you'll join us for our next math lesson. We're going to be on Microsoft Teams in the advanced math section at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. We're going to go over the work from Wednesday then. All right? Okay.